Hello guys, it's Mana here. Now we are in Bangkok to try something different today. You guys might wondering why Thai food is taste so different abroad compared to taste it in Thailand. The thing is that in Thailand, the food here actually combined between Thai and Chinese cuisine in general. For example, stir-fry dishes, noodle dishes like pad thai, chicken rice, etc. And today, we are going to show you an exceptional Thai Chinese cuisine restaurant named Potong, located in Chinatown, Bangkok, Thailand, with a Michelin Star awarded. And with a great initiation from Chef Pam. She's also awarded as the best female chef of 2025 and she gonna cook us food tonight. Let's explore this Thai Chinese cuisine together.
Welcome to Restaurant POTONG.
And this is Chef Cam's interpretation of the Gujab. Gujab is very famous in Chinese cuisine. It has a very purple broth, complements its intensity. In the bowl here you have the raw noodles stuffed with pork tongue, on top with the milk beer and served with the pork roll. And I recommend you to mix it before eating. And in front of you we have pancit scallop, balanced with the satay sauce. Underneath we have peanut vinaigrette. I will recommend you can enjoy together with the bread. Enjoy. you would like to know more about the journey, can read on this side. And we have for sure this one about ingredient package.
Welcome.
Yes, my favorite. In front of you, this one is a Pad Thai Saimato. We have tiger prawn topped with Thai black noodle, served together with a deep fried oyster with chili sauce, or we call hoi thon. I will recommend you can use a chopstick, wrap Thai black noodle together with the shrimp, follow with the hoi thon, and finish with a short shrimp medicine. Drink the last one.
So far so good.
Thanks a lot.
This is the last and final seafood for tonight. We have the Antarctic sea bass, fried egg fermented, and we fried the sea bass in Kochi. We serve with the long sauce, Louisiana seed, and on top the coconut and grass milk. Ginger. So in front of you, this one is our main topic for sharing on Lazy Susan, because Chef Pam want to bring back the memory of her family gathering. And we have our signature for the duck. We dry it around 14 days. This one is a roasted duck breast served with duck sauces. And below, we have pickled cucumber. On the middle is a duck leg served with Greek num pepper. And this side is a stir-fried asparagus served together with sea salt fried rice and 3 sauce. We have chili oil. On the middle is a scallion ginger.
This one without meat.
And this one is a soy honey mustard. Also, we have the broth. This one made from duck bone soup. And we recommend you can decide everything together. อันนี้ก็จะมีส่วนผสมมีดักอันนี้ก็มีดักอะไรอย่างเงี้ย Followed by our vegetable. We have the nut here on top of the lime powder. This one's the Thai chocolate and underneath is the coffee too. This one is the mango jelly on top of the chili powder and salt.